Hey, greetings everyone. My name is Tony Hollowitz and thank you for being here for this tutorial on working with Siri on your iPhone. Now, I should mention here that whether it's an iPhone or iPad, most of the things I'm talking about apply to either, but I use my iPhone every day, so that's what I tend to focus on when doing these sessions. Having said that, in my most recent tutorial, I showed you how to schedule something on your calendar using Siri. But now, let's say I'm curious about what I have planned for a particular day. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, Siri, what is my schedule for a particular day? Hey Siri, what is my schedule for January 8th, 2026? And you'll see that's the doctor's appointment, the fictitious doctor's appointment that I scheduled for Thursday, January 8th. So that's how you can easily find out what is on your schedule. So just another way to use Siri to your advantage. Okay, my friends, thank you very much. You have a great day. Bye now.